We are now being joined by National Conference President and former Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Dr. Farooq Abdullah. Dr. Abdullah, first of all, many thanks for speaking to India today. Sir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation a short while ago and he said that government has decided to repeal the three farm laws. Your first reaction?
I congratulate him for taking this decision. Better late than never.
Mhm.
This is what was worrying the entire nation, all the farmers, and farmers form nearly 80% of our population. And I think it's a great thing. We wanted this to happen in the parliament. We requested that this should be looked into. It should be sent to select committee. But I'm glad that Prime Minister finally has come round and has taken this view.
Dr. Abdullah, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his address to the nation, he apologized to the people. He said that although these farm laws were in the interest of the farmers, but somehow the government could not convince the farmers. What do you have to say on that?
Well, I say that at least he has been honest about it to say that he tried his best, but farmers were not going to accept it because farmers realized that was not in their interest.
Mhm.
And thus it happened, and I'm glad he has taken that view that
Mhm.
he has. He will now bring it to the parliament, and parliament will null it.
Mhm.
I think that's a good thing, good step. I think this is how democracies work.
Right. Dr. Abdullah, these farm laws protests were happening against these farm laws for last 1 year. Finally, the government has decided to repeal these farm laws. But Dr. Abdullah, many agricultural experts have been saying that reforms in agriculture sector are necessary and important. So, what should be the way out now? Because a
Now, the
reform.
way out should be that I think the Prime Minister must form a committee, and the farmers also should form a committee, and they must look into every aspect
Mhm.
and form a new law which
Mhm.
says no.
Mhm.
Should be in interest of the people,
Mhm.
and I'm sure they will be able to find a new way, and a
Mhm.
new law can be brought in, which
Mhm.
will be in the interest of the country.
Dr. Abdullah, now these farm laws will be repealed in the winter session of the parliament. What will be your appeal to the opposition parties? Because in the past also we have seen that there were stormy, scenes in the parliament over this issue. What will be your message to the other opposition
My
parties?
message will not only be to the opposition, because I belong to the opposition, but to the government also,
Mm-hmm.
that whenever there is a problem that is raised,
Mm-hmm.
the government has to reply. This is a democratic setup.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, unless you see, when we meet before the parliament starts, there is all the promises by the government
Mm-hmm.
that they will answer every question.
Mm-hmm.
But then when we go into the parliament and we raise the questions, they don't answer.
Mm-hmm.
I think the problem is that both sides must realize that whatever we will put, we'll be putting in for the interest of the country,
Right.
not anything else. We don't want to have trouble. We
Mm-hmm.
want to raise the problem before the government and
Mm-hmm.
see that the government answers those things that worry people. Like the farmers' law was there. We raised it. We requested them that for God's sake, please put it before the select committee. Let them look into it again. But
Mm-hmm.
it didn't happen.
Okay. Dr. Abdullah, hundreds of farmers, even right now, are sitting on dharna at various places near the Delhi borders. So, would you appeal them to now return to their homes?
I would say to them, please wait till the parliament meets
Hmm.
and the laws are really repealed. Then they can walk back home
Hmm.
happily
Hmm.
and celebrate at home
Right.
that they have
Dr. Abdullah,
won their battle.
Dr. Abdullah, my last question to you. What should be Modi government's approach to Jammu and Kashmir now?
I think the most important approach that he should make now, straight away. He himself said he wants to win the hearts of people. The hearts of people can be won by returning the statehood immediately without any delay. And secondly, the 370 that they have abrogated should be brought back. It is part of the constitution and should be brought back again if they want peace in the state.
Right. Many thanks for speaking to India today.
Thank you.